Hey, Mark Nelson. Today I want to share with you 3 passive income ideas to generate $1,000 per month in passive income, meaning it's always going to come in. The first one is, and I totally believe this, is YouTube ads. Now, if you don't have a YouTube channel yet, I suggest working your way up to get one. And there's some restrictions on when you can start making money off ads or using money off ads, but YouTube is the #2 search engine owned by Google, and you should be marketing that industry. The second tip, and not everybody believes this, but I totally believe you should start a blog. And if you have your own blog, guess what? As you start bringing people to see that content, see, it's always on. That's your blog. You own that. You can start putting in links to different products. You can start letting other people put their affiliate secrets up there so you can generate income from their stuff, but you should start a blog. The third one is digital courses. Now, digital courses, you think there's 2 ways to do them. You can actually go into the PLR store and you can buy courses that are already made and then change them so they look like you've done that and sell that course for minimum amount of money. $7, $27, $37, and lead yourself up to making bigger money as you start getting yourself established making your own courses. I mean, that's all it is. People sell ebooks. Learn how to make an ebook. And then as you grow, you're going to learn how to build different module courses. Now, I do my courses through ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is just an amazing system, and I'm going to put a link down below to try it out for 14 days free trial, but ClickFunnels will let you put your courses inside their funnel that you can market and lets you set up a way for you to collect emails, and then also lets you have that order page right inside your funnel. And I'm not going to show you how to do that today, but I'll certainly do that a different day. Now, I always over deliver. And I'm going to pop off this screen and show you actually what else I think about it is. And I'm going to talk about ClickFunnels again, because ClickFunnels has an amazing affiliate program. And I think everybody should be looking at it and hoping you would take your 14-day free trial right below, I'll put it in there, and see if it's something that you should use and you should be using. So see you soon. This is why I get so excited about the ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, the affiliate program, pays 40% monthly recurring commissions. Monthly. And it just goes down here, and congratulations on becoming, now I'm an affiliate, so it shows that. But inside here, you can get on what I consider the best affiliate training out in the universe as of today. They put Affiliate Bootcamp today, and they asked the questions of 30 people. If their business folded today, what they would do for the next 100 days and how they would get back to building their own business. Unbelievable amount of training. I'll put the link below in the description for this also. But it lets you select the offers you want to promote. See, you can promote what's your dream car, right? If ClickFunnels lets you, as you earn commissions, over 40% recurring commissions, they let you build a way to get to the point where you get paid a monthly minimum on top of what you're earning to pay for your dream car. They have multiple landing pages you can promote. 14-day free trial, the secret funnel strategy, Lady Boss. And there's other things. Here's the boot camp again. How to retire in 100 days as a ClickFunnels super affiliate. Your dream car. The 14-day trial. But all these different things. They give you all these tools for you to become an affiliate. So, again, this is the welcome to the ClickFunnels affiliate program that pays up to 40%. That's Russell Brunson. Talks to you about your dream car. Talks to you about the affiliate best practices, because we want to always be there. And then it goes through and actually talks about different things for ClickFunnels. So this is your first page. You can join the One Funnel Away Challenge. You can market their books. You can market Expert Secrets, their funnel script software. If you're not a copywriter, this is unbelievable software. And again, that's that Affiliate Bootcamp Summit. So as you get inside here, this is my affiliate. These are all the different links. It talks about, again, becoming the affiliate program, 40% monthly recurring commissions. Talks about here's your boot camp. You can click here, the other offers you can promote. Unstinking believable. So what I'm going to do today is down below this video, you are going to have a link to get started in the 14-day trial, and I'm also going to give you a link to the affiliate bootcamp. That is an unbelievable training. So again, talk to you again soon. Look out for my next video. If you got value from here, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell so you get notifications when I'm on again. We will talk again soon.